Something I've started doing with my dogs is brushing their teeth, and what makes it fun about that is I got them dog friendly. So I got them 2 different flavors. I got them chicken and I got them pork, and they absolutely love it. But what also helps me keep track of it is I have these little cards right here, and it gives them little activities to do. Kind of like a kid, but you know, for pets. So it has a Monday through Sunday, and it's a track your progress with our brushing calendar, and it looks like this. And then it also has a back side. The back is FlyDog toothbrushing calendar. So Monday you give them an activity and notes. You get 4 different cards as well as 2 different toothpaste, and all I do is I just put a little bit of this on a toothbrush and I sit there and brush their teeth. Not only does it make their breath smell a lot better, but it also makes their teeth a lot healthier. My dogs love this. They love the taste of it. They get so excited. Luna thinks she's about to get her teeth brushed right now, but I do this twice a day. I do it in the morning and then at night, just like you are a human. If you're starting to look to brush your dog's teeth, then these are definitely a great choice and a great way to start. I'm Kinsey, and this is Luna, and we will see you next time.